So we want to talk about weighted mean. Weighted mean is a very useful concept. Like, for example, if you take different classes, let's say you get an A in your math class, and your math class is a 5-unit course. But suppose you take a swimming course and you get sick and your grade is going to be like suffering and you get like a B or a C, but it's going to be like, say your swimming course is only 1 unit. So you want to know what is your average grade, overall grade for all the, the classes. A couple of things to mention, that X bar, when you see X and you see bar on the top, that means average. So, and we are talking about weighted average in this case. And this symbol right here is sigma. It's Greek, of course, sigma, which means, collection or addition of all that, everything together. All right, so let's talk about your grade. Suppose in a quarter you receive the following grade. So following grades in, say, last quarter. Suppose you get an A in a 5-unit course, A in a 5-unit course. Actually, let me just make this a 5-unit course. Suppose you get a B in a 3-unit course. You get a B in a 3-unit course. Suppose you get another A in a 3-unit course. So put different color, A in a 3-unit course. Suppose you're getting a B in a 2-unit course. You're getting a B in a 2-unit course. And finally, you're getting a C. You're getting a C in a 5-unit course, in a 5-unit course. What is your accumulated GPA? What is the weighted average of all this? All right. And what we want to use, so remember that we said that X bar equals to sigma X times W divided by sigma W. So let's just organize this in the next page in a nice fashion. And let's say that my X and then the weight, and then this column, let's make it X times W. Remember that we said you get an A in a 5-unit course. That was the first class that we said. So an A is GPA of 4. The weight of the class is 5 because it was a 5-unit course, okay? And so 4 times 5 gives me 20. The next class, you got a B on a 3-unit course. A B has a GPA of 3. And it was a 3-unit course. 3 times 3 gives me 9. Okay. The next class, you got another A in a 3-unit course. So you got an A, which is GPA of 4 in a 3-unit course. 4 times 3 gives me 12. The next class, we said you got a B on a 2-unit course, a B GPA of 3 and a 2-unit course. 3 times 2 is 6. And the last class, you got a C GPA of 2 on a 5-unit course. And 2 times 5 is 10. And we want to know what is your accumulated GPA? What is X bar equals to? So we said X bar equals to the collection or sigma X times W. Add this together. So that gives me 16, total of 57. So 57 goes up here. divided by total of weight right here. So I have 18. So divided by 18. So this equals, and we normally round that to 2 decimals. Okay, let me do this in this calculator. So 3.17. So your accumulated GPA for these classes for this quarter is 3.17. Let's do another example. So suppose in a 30-day month checking, so you have a month, which in that month, we have 30 days, let's say September. So 30-day month, checking account. So you have a balance of 630 for 5 days. Then you have a balance of $40. Let's say that you wrote a check for rent or whatever, and now you have $40 for 2 days. Okay. Then you deposit money, and let's say you have $110, okay, for 8 days. Then you have $450. You deposit more money. Now you have $450 for 6 days. And then you spend some money, you write another check. Now you have $280 for 9 days. So let me count this, make sure I have 30 days, 5, 15, 21. Yeah, so because this, the days becomes 30. So this is my weight, and this is my, this column is my X. Okay. So we want to know what is the account's mean daily balance. Okay, what is mean daily balance for this month? All right, what does that mean? That means weighted average. So once again, I have X bar equals sigma X times W, okay, and divided by sigma W. So let me open another, let me give myself a little bit room here. 630 times 5 gives me 3,150. 2 times 40 is 80. 8 times 110 is 880. 6 times 0 is 0. Then I have another 0, 7, 2. And then I have 9 times 0 is 0, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2. Oh, so adding all that together. So I get a 0, then I have a 3, then I have another 3, and then I have a 9. So 9,330. All right, so this, and remember this column right here was X times W. All right, so this equals 9330 divided by 30, and that deconstruct the zeros through the division. You get a 3, a 1, and a 1. So your daily balance, the daily balance for this account for that particular month is $311. So notice that some days you had more than that, sometimes some days you had a lot less than that, but in average for that month, you had a daily balance of $311. Okay. Let's do one last example, just for the sake of discussion. Let's talk this time about gasoline. So you take a trip, let's say that you take a trip to, where would you like to go? Let's see, trip to, let's say, Arizona. You just wanted to drive to Arizona and you hop in your car. And on the way, okay, you pump gas 5 times, pump gas 5 times. So let's say that the first time you pump 15 gallons at $3, and so this is 15 gallons, okay, and that is at $3.15. So let me write this backward. 15 gallons at $3.15. Then you pump 14 gallons at $3.55. $3.55. Then you do pump, say, 12 gallons at $3.75. Then you pump 13 gallons at $4.15. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Then let's say you pump another 16 gallons at $3.65. So now our job is to find average price per gallon in this trip. So find average price or average cost price per gallon for this trip that you took to Arizona. Now here I have to be careful because these numbers of, dollars amount, they are my X, okay? So because no matter, like let's say in the first gas station, it really wouldn't matter how many gallons, how many gallons I put gas. The price still remains $3.15, but I could put like, I could put 15 gallons, 14 gallons, like in this case, 12 and stuff. So this is my weight and this is my X. And so let me, all right. So here, let's do X times W is. So $3.15 times 15, 47.25. Then you have 14, so I have 49.70. Then 45.00, 53.95, 58.40. Add them all together, and we get 254.3. So X bar equals 254.3 divided by 18.25. And since we're talking about money, let's round to nearest penny, okay? So, and rounding that to nearest penny, let me double check on this. Yep, $3.63. So the average price for this trip per gallon of gas that you pumped is $3.63. Well, okay, thanks.